loss today, and I want to talk about it a little bit. Most of this is I'm going to show you what happened, but a good amount of this video is going to be psychology based. So basically, here's what happened. Okay, I saw again. We started the 4 hour. Let's go to the 4 hour. See what's going on. Okay, I seen this. Right, we were in a little bit of a downtrend. I seen we sweep this high, but also at the same time, we were still in this SMT area where we swept this, but we didn't sweep it here, which led me to believe that it could be either, but this was Friday, so I was like, I feel like this is more neutral than anything. So whatever way. Oh, Discord popped up. Can you get the fuck off of my screen, please? Thank you. Okay. Now, here's what my problem was. Okay. I did, as you can see, all my reds are key levels. I did not mark out this key level right here. Okay. So, when we were neutral, I always go for the first key level to be swept. And as we can see here, it swept sell side liquidity. So, we're looking for buys. But what I didn't mark out was this right here. So I didn't realize that this was an hourly high that we swept and started going that downtrend. That would have told me that we were bearish, because the little sweep of the very quick high and then immediate reversal after that would tell me we were bearish. So took 2 trades off of equilibrium, both on S&P, because it looked a little better on S&P. But right here, I took this one off of this inverse, or no, sorry. This was off of this inverse for value gap right here. The second one was off of this SMT divergence, where at the same time we were making a lower high, which we could have been on here, but regardless, either way we would have lost, as you can see. But here's my, okay, so this is what I wanted to talk about. Okay, there's 3 different types of losses in my opinion, like that I categorize. Okay, there's emotional losses, which is like fear of missing out, over leveraging, doing your like completely disregarding your rules. The second one, that's like the second worst loss you could have, is what I had today. This was a strategic loss, not a logical loss, because I missed something. I missed something around it. We made an SMT here and started reversing, and this would have been right here. I wouldn't even waited for the pullback if we considered this a like we could see on the hourly. This looks like a high time frame liquidity sweep. Okay, as you can see. Right here we have this high, or even this high, sweep, boom. So we could have played it off of 5-minute highs, and then this is actually, I'm pretty sure, already in equilibrium. Yeah. So this was a lot. This is a strategic loss because I missed something, and this was, and then the best loss to take is a logical loss, where you followed all your rules, you read the market correctly, but it just wasn't the day for you. But even with this loss, I like kind of beat myself up about it. I haven't made like a big decision, like a big bad decision about this, but like even when I was like, because this is what I do before I go to sleep, right? Because I work overnights. I got it, I did it, and then I like beat myself. I was like, fuck, like why would I even, such a dumb mistake that I made. I could barely sleep. Like it took me a while to fall asleep because I just couldn't get my mind off of this. And like I think about it now, I don't want to think that, because one mistake does not make me the type of trader who I am. And I want you guys to realize that too. That like this is not like that big of a like, yes, I did something wrong, and this has to be acknowledged, right? Which I have acknowledged, but it's not the end of the world. I have to realize that like it's not the biggest of deals, right? It's not like fucking, you know, oh, life's over, you know? So things happen. I just have to realize that I can't really beat myself up about it, because I don't even want to get into that mentally. Probably going to blow this account, to be honest. I only have about $600 in drawdown, which is about one trade. It's not even a full trade, but unless I get on a good win streak, I'll probably just buy another account, because I know that I can do this. Like, I have no problem with doing that. And yes, my losses don't make me, but I know that, like, most of the time I make the right decision. So me making one wrong decision does not define me as a trader. And you guys that are also part of this should realize that as well. But, you know, I lost about $2,000. We can check, actually. Again, it's, you know, it's whatever. It's not like that big of a problem. Don't look. I lost $2,000 yesterday. $2,065.60. And I should not have lost that. I should have won. Which, yes, is upsetting, but it's not going to make or break me. One trade does not make or break me as a trader. Just wanted to talk to you about that. It's not really, you know, of course that's a big mistake I made, but things happen. And again, my whole goal is to be as transparent as possible during this journey, and this is as transparent as I can be, is that I made a mistake. I really did. So again, I'm gonna pay attention to pre-market. Let's mark out levels, just so you can be here with me while I do it, and you can hear how I determine my daily bias live. So let's do it. So we just swept this, but you know, it's not really anything like that's that big. We have this low right here. Oh, yeah, it's a low. We have this high right here. We have this high right here. This high. There's really not much on the bottom for sell side liquidity besides like all the way back here, but we'll mark them because it could be something. We'll mark them on here as well. Ooh, okay, here we go. This could be something, but we'll see. If we're going for sells, we'll probably make an SMT divergence off of specifically probably this low right here, because on here we're pretty close. But I don't think we'll actually get down to there today. But it probably will be a play at some point. We have this low. We don't have a high here, but that's fine. We have this high right here. We have this high right here. Oh. Hey, fucker. Alright, let's go. Okay, let's check the hourly. Let's see how it looks on the hourly. Okay. We have this high right here. We have this low, which is already marked. We have this high right here. We have this high right here. We have this high right here. This high right here. Lows. I mean, there's really no lows to be fucking going for besides this one. Yeah, these two are the only lows that I can really show for. Okay, now let's go to here. We have this high right here. We have this low right here. We have we have this high right here. This high right here. Yes. This high right here. Yep. Okay. And yeah, we'll also mark this one as well. And the one next to it as well, which I need to do on that one as well. Here. Okay. So, from what we see, I mean, it's not the... Okay, we're pretty neutral today. We are in a downtrend still. But there's no, like, tells of, like, SMTs. This has already been you know. This one, if there was like a big push, like to fill like this fair value, like to fill this fair value gap, started going back down. So can't really trade off of that one, because it's already kind of been hit. This is one of these days. Oh yeah, also I wanna, of course, we'll mark out this as well, because this is our time frames. Yep. Looks better for buys. Of course, there's really no draws on liquidity on the downside besides these couple lows right here. What I'd be looking for is probably for it to go below this low right here. It'll probably go below this low easier on, it looks like NASDAQ, or if it goes both and then starts reversing. And then as long as we get a pullback before we hit London highs, like probably after we hit this low resistance liquidity right here, we should be good. And then we're probably going to be looking for buys today, but I am neutral and I'm fine with going either way. Otherwise, that was, you know, I'm not discouraged. I beat myself up a little bit, and I was like, fuck. You know, like, I can't believe I made such a rookie mistake. And then I, like, realized, and I had this, like, coming to moment a little bit, and I was like, dude, I've been doing this for, like, 2 months. Not even 2 full months. So, me fucking up is a given, and I need to embrace fucking up. So, you know, it just sucks because I haven't fucked up, like, that bad for a minute. So, other than that, it's a good day. Always been a good day. I'm breathing, so, and I'm able to do what I love, which is this. Otherwise, I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm done trading for today, and of course I'll put out a recap for that as well. But that's it. Alright, yeah. Peace out.